Okay, this topic is talk about part 2. It's talk about the clamp meter affected by some sort like the magnetic fields will affect the readings of the tone meters. This is the transformer. Okay. This is the transformer. So the transformer itself now without the supplies, now on the supply. So this is the meters 0, then we can see. Then got affected some areas. Got right. I think this one is the same. The other one also affected. Affected. This is the other one. This one I test before was not affected because the pickup is very high, so the suitable for higher value one. Okay, thank you for watching.